What's the meaning of costume drama? Costume drama. Costume drama.
Costume drama. Costume drama. Costume drama refers to a type of television show or film that is set in the past and features elaborate costumes and sets. This genre often focuses on historical events, royalty, and upper-class society. The term costume refers to the ornate clothing worn by the characters in the show, while drama refers to the intense emotional conflicts that occur between the characters. Overall, costume dramas are known for their attention to detail and their ability to transport viewers to another time period.